I'm sure this comes as no surprise to you guys, but one of the most important things that I love to do for my skin is actually drinking tea in the morning. I love fresh ginger, I love loose leaf teas. I have a full cabinet of teas, and you guys have seen me talk about how important tea is in my skincare routine. Right now I'm drinking Teami Refresh because I love mint-based teas. There's dried mango, dried strawberry, mint tea, and pink rose in this blend, which is perfect. It's a really nice boost to the day, but it also is a substitute for sugary drinks. I love these sweet replacement mixes that TeamiBlends does because there's so many essential vitamins and minerals for healthy skin. So the mango has vitamin A, C, and E, also fiber, which is great for digestion, that helps to keep your skin clear. Strawberries are high in vitamin C. They also help to burn fat, and they are anti-aging. Now the rose is anti-inflammatory and calming, which is perfect for my skin. I actually have other teas with rose in it as well, and straight rose tea. The mint can help to soothe stomach aches, and for me the mint is just so refreshing for my day. So if you guys are interested in this tea or any of the other TeamiBlends products, check the description box for my discount code. It's TekiahB20. For people who do not have just naturally perfect skin, people like me, it actually takes work for me to maintain the health of my skin, the look of my skin. So if you're anything like me, then hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. I have enlarged pores, I have dry skin, I also have some hyperpigmentation around my smile line. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse my face. That's all I do in the morning. I don't use a cleanser in the morning. Yes, I keep it simple, and that helps keep the inflammation down. So to keep my dry skin decongested and texture free pretty much, I exfoliate 3 times a week. I use this Acure brightening facial scrub mixed with Amla powder, which is high in vitamin C. I make a paste out of those, and because my skin is still damp, it's really easy to slough away the dead skin cells. And when you do that, you reveal bright, glowy skin, and then your skin is also able to accept your moisturizers, your toners, and your serums a lot better because it's not congested. So I do this 3 times a week, like I said, and it has changed the texture of my skin, and it has also decreased the look of my hyperpigmentation around my smile lines and on my cheeks. So I'm taking some aloe. It's pre-cut. I already cut it up. So as you can see, it's really slimy. So I'm going to apply this to my face. You guys should already know by now how I cut it. Aloe is amazing. So it cleanses your skin, it tones your skin, it moisturizes your skin, it goes deep into the epidermis, you guys, and it really does so many amazing things for your skin. So along with drinking the dried up fruit in my teas, I love to consume the raw fruits. They have so many essential vitamins and minerals for healthy skin. Mangoes in particular have vitamins A, C, and E. There's some iron, potassium, and calcium. And then there's fiber, which is great for digestion, and that really helps to clear up your skin along with the vitamin A. All right, so I just finished rinsing off the aloe mask. I left it on for probably 20 to 30 minutes. And I typically don't time it, honestly. I love to let that aloe soak into my pores. To moisturize my skin, I'm using Unrefined organic shea butter, as well as a few drops of pure rosehip seed oil. I mix the shea butter in the palms of my hands to warm it up and melt it down, and then I add the drops of the rosehip seed oil, and this makes the most luxurious moisturizer for my dry skin. It feels so good. For my pores, I rub in an upward motion and then also around my laugh line area, because we want to encourage the skin to go that way. I'm gonna take my Glossier Balm Dotcom. So as you can see, my skin is bright, it's glowy, it is so moisturized, it is so plump, you guys. No, I do not wear sunscreen when I go out that is my personal choice. Another huge part to skincare, aside from drinking tea for me, is actually getting out into the sun. And it actually is pretty nice today in Seattle. So I'm gonna go up on my rooftop. I'm gonna catch some sun rays, and I notice such a difference in my skin when I'm going out into the sun and when I am just soaking in that vitamin D. I don't wanna block the sun, okay? I need the sun for my skin. All right, so I'm on my rooftop and I'm about to go outside and get some rays, like I said. Ooh. That's my morning skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Also, definitely make sure to like the video, check the discount code section for my TeamiBlends and my Glossier codes, and a lot more. And make sure you guys subscribe. I will see you in my next video.
Break the ice. Forgive me if I'm too informal, but